Alright, today we are going to be making some laundry detergent. So right here I have Castile soap that has finally fully cured. So we're going to go ahead and just grate up 1 bar of the Castile soap. Okay, now got a big container to put it in. So we're gonna do a cup of this this washing soda. I got this one on, I think I got it on Amazon for like $3 or $4. So we just measure out 1 cup of washing soda. Some borax. I think I got this at Walmart for $4 or something like that too. So we're gonna do 2 cups of borax. Okay, 2 cups of borax, and then we're gonna do 1 cup of good old baking soda. Now we go ahead and add our soap to this. Mix it on up. Get it nice and mixed up, and then she'll be ready to use it. Alright, so now I am going to try out our laundry detergent. I have this white blanket here that, as you can see, is kind of, there's some chocolate stains on it from my kids. So I'll just put that in the washer, and then I'm going to go ahead and put in 2 to 3 tablespoons. I'll go ahead and do 3, just because it's a big blanket. Okay, and let's see how it turns out. Okay, now I just took it out of the dryer and just checking to make sure stains are gone. And I'm not seeing any chocolate stains. Check the other side too. Nope. All right, looks like it got all the chocolate stains out.